Understanding Job Competency, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic: job competency. This concept is crucial in the professional world, and understanding it can make a big difference in your career. So, let's get started and unravel what job competency truly means. Job competency refers to the set of skills, knowledge, abilities, and behaviors that are essential for successful performance in a job role. It's not just about what you know, but also how effectively you can apply that knowledge in the workplace. Think of it as a combination of practical skills, understanding, and personal attributes. Understanding and developing your job competencies can significantly impact your career. It helps you perform your job effectively. Competencies ensure you can handle your responsibilities. Grow professionally. They are the foundation for career advancement. Adapt to changes. In a rapidly evolving job market, having strong competencies makes you versatile and adaptable. 1. Technical competencies. These are specific to your job role, like coding for a software engineer or financial analysis for an accountant. 2. Behavioral competencies. These include soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving. 3. Leadership competencies. Important for those in managerial roles, focusing on skills like decision-making and team management. To develop your job competencies, seek training and education. Enhance your knowledge and skills through courses and workshops. Practice regularly. Apply your skills in real-life scenarios. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from peers and supervisors can guide your improvement. Employers often assess job competency during job interviews, through questions and practical tests, performance reviews, regular evaluations of your skills and growth, career development meetings, discussions about your career path and needed competencies. Understanding and developing your job competencies is a continuous journey that can lead to both personal and professional growth. I hope this video helps you on that path. Remember, each step you take to improve your competencies brings you closer to career success. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.